Hello and welcome to our next class of maths. So today what we are going to do, we are going to take our next topic, which is division of money. Okay. In today's class we will see how we can divide a larger quantity. Okay, with larger quantity means money which is in rupees as well as paise. Okay, this we are going to learn today. So I've taken some examples for you all to make you all understand, okay, the concept. So our first example is divide rupees 792.84, or I can say it like this also, rupees 792 and 84 paise, or 792 rupees and 84 paise. Okay. Now we have to divide this by 6. So what we will do is, first we know that we have to put the larger quantity inside the house. I am making a house. Okay. Now this is my house. In this house I am going to keep this quantity. So 792 and 84, since it is paise, after point whatever number or whatever digits are given, those are considered as your paise, isn't it? Yes, in last to last class I told you this, isn't it? Yes. So one more thing, my dear students, in last class you all learned about the multiplication of rupees. That means multiplication of money, isn't it? Now in today's class you are going to learn about the division of money. Okay. Now if only rupees is given to you, it is very easy to divide. Yes or no? The division is same as you did in class 3. Understood? So 792 I have written here since it is the rupees part. Okay. Now paisa part I'll write here paisa, and I will write this here below paisa. Leave some space between these two numbers. Okay. Now I have to divide it with 6. Yes or no? So now on dividing, the question which I will get, I will not write it here. I will write it here. Understood? This is the first way of doing it. So 6 ones are 6 minus 7 minus 1, 6. Yes or no? Here you have to see the divisor, how many digits the divisor have. Okay. If the divisor is having 1 digit, you are going to pick the first digit and see whether that number is greater than your divisor or not. If it is not greater, then you are going to take the first 2 digits together, and then you are going to see whether that particular number is greater than your divisor or not. If yes, then you can continue your division. Okay, you say the table of divisor, whatever divisor is given, you say the table of that divisor. If that particular 2-digit number is coming, well and good. If not, pick up just smaller number. Okay, the number which is just smaller to the digits here. Understood? So in this case, in this question, I have 1-digit divisor. Yes or no? Only 1 digit I have. So I am going to see only 1 digit here also inside. Understood? So this number is 7 and my divisor is 6. Yes or no? My divisor is 6. So 6 is less than 7, or I can say 7 is greater than 6. So this 7 I can take a chance of multiplying 6, or I will say the table of 6 and see whether 7 is coming. I will say the table of 6 and see whether 7 is coming in the table of 6. Let's say 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12, which is much greater than 7. And 6 ones are 6, which is less than 7, isn't it? So we are going to take the number which is nearest to this particular digit, and it should be smaller. Understood? So 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. Now one by one we are going to bring down these digits. Don't bring the whole number down in one step. It will be considered as wrong. Understood? So now this digit I will bring down. This has become 19. Yes or no? Yes. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. 24 is greater than 19, and 6 threes are 18. So 6 threes are 18 is very close to this number. Yes or no? Yes. Now just subtract this also. 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 means nothing. So I have put a cross here. Understood? Now, again in next step I have to bring down 2. Now this number has become 12. Yes or no? Now again read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Oh, I got the number. Yes or no? So 6 twos are 12. Now this rupees calculation is over. Yes or no? Yes. Now let's come to paise. Now in paise also what you are going to do is just make a small window and write this number. 84 divided by the same number 6. Understood? Understood? Why? Because the whole number is to be divided by 6. So I will have to divide 84 paise also with 6 only. Okay? Now 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 down. This has become 24. So 6 fours are 24. Yes or no? So we can say on dividing rupees 792 point or rupees 792 and 84 paise by 6, we got rupees 132. Now 132, why it is rupees? Because we have completely solved this, then only we got this answer. So we have solved the rupees section, then only the answer whatever we got will fall under rupees section only. Okay. Now this paisa section we have solved here. So this will be your paisa. Understood? So you can say I am writing it here, okay? Thus, rupees, or else you do one thing. You all copy this down, then I will write it on the next board. Okay? Because here it will not look good. Understood? So, we can write thus 792 rupees 84 paisa when divided by 6 will give you or is equals to rupees 132.14 or 132 rupees 14 paisa. Understood? Please copy this down. Now let us see another example. Now what I am going to tell you next is the second way of solving this. Okay, solving these, that means dividing this. First way, we had written rupees and paisa differently, separately, with a space in between both of them. Yes or no? Yes. Now here in this way, what we are going to do in this method, what we are going to do is we are going to write the dividend as well as the divisor, but there's a twist in this. The dividend will not have any point. Okay, this point we are going to forget this now. So we are going to write this number as it is without a point. That means 6 9 0 9 0. Understood? My dear students, did you understand? We are not going to put the point or the decimal which is given to us in the question. This, we will make use of this decimal afterwards. Okay, when we are writing the answer, that time I will tell you how to place this decimal again. Alright? Removing this decimal does not mean that we are removing it from the question. No, we cannot remove it. If we are going to do so, our answer will be wrong. Okay? So, while doing the process, we can remove this decimal, and when we are writing the final answer, that time we have to put this decimal again. Understood? So, how to put it, I will tell you. First, let us solve this. Okay? So, 6, 9, 0, point is gone. We are not writing the point. 9 and 0 divided by 3. Understood? So, here, one digit, yes or no, divisor is of how many digits? One digit. So, you are going to see the first digit of the number. Understood? So, the first digit is 6, which is greater than 3. Now, let's say the table of 3 and find out whether 6 is coming in table of 3 or not. So, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Oh, 6 is there. So, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Just write the question, whatever digit you are writing, you just write on above this number itself, above this digit. Okay? It will look more neat. And when you are writing the digits here, the number here, what you are going to do is, you are going to leave one finger space between each digit. Understood? So that your work looks neat and clean. And there is no confusion while solving the sum also. Understood? So 6 minus 6 is 0. That means nothing. We are going to take the next digit down, which is 9. So let's say the table of 3 once again. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Again, it is divisible by 3. So 3, how many times? 3s are 9. Subtract. Answer is 0. Now bring the 0 down. Now, the table of 3 begins with 3 itself. 3 ones are 3. But 3 zeros are is what? 3 zeros are is 0. So 3 zeros are 0 minus answer is 0. Take the next digit down now. Here. This is 9. So 3 threes are 9 again. Answer is 0. And this 0 again we'll bring down. One by one each digit has to be brought down. Okay. In one step only one digit can be brought down. Understood? So this is 0. 3 zeros are 0 and your answer is again 0. So now while writing the answer, what you will do is you are going to write see here. After this, you are going to continue from here. Alright. Now, what you are going to do is, you are going to write, thus, rupees 690.90 divided by 3 is equals to, what question you all got here? The question which you got here, you are going to write that particular question again. This question which you have got, you are going to write this number as it is with a rupees sign in front of it. Okay, rupees 230 Understood? After copying down the quotient, you are going to count the number of digits after the decimal in the question given to you. Okay? Count the number of digits after decimal. So, after decimal is 1 and 2. 2 digits are there. You are going to start from right hand side. Leave that many digits. Those many digits you are going to leave and then put the decimal. Okay. So, here usually 2 digits you will get. So, 1 also you can get. Maximum 2 can come. Okay. 2 digits you can get here. So, here see, after decimal how many digits? 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2. Put a decimal here. So, this is your final answer. Understood? Or you can write in this way also. Or 230 rupees and 30 paisa. Understood? Copy this down. In your rough copies, you have to do this. Okay? Copy this down. Now, let's see the next topic, which is statement sums. Okay? Now, these statement sums are also based on division only. Okay? So, the very first question is, a set of 3 pens costs rupees 72.75. Okay? That means 72 rupees and 75 paisa. Okay? What is the cost of each pen? Now, when we are given a larger quantity and we are asked to take out the cost of one material, whatever it is given, we are given the information of many and we are asked only about one quantity. Then in this case, what we do? We do divide. Okay? What operation we have to do? We have to divide. If the information about many are given and they have asked you to take out information about only one quantity, then in that case, what you are going to do? You are going to divide. Now, look at the question once again. A set of 3 pens cost rupees 72.75. That means 72 rupees and 75 paisa. Now, how much is the quantity given here? 3 pens is the quantity. Yes or no? And now, in first sentence, they have given you the information. In the second sentence, they will ask you about the quantity which they want to know. Isn't it? Now, see the next line. What is the cost of each pen? Each pen means one pen. Okay, 1, 3 pens are there. So, they are asking you the cost of all the 3 pens separately. So, in this case, what you can do, you can find out the value of one pen. Isn't it? So with that, what we can say that if one pen is of this cost, then other two pens also might be of this cost. Not might be, they will be of that cost only. Okay. So understood the question? Let's start doing. Since these are statement sums, we have to write the statement according to the question given here, and then we will solve it. Okay. So you all copy down the question. Now let's see how to form the statements. Okay. So see the first line of the question. You have to notice very carefully. Okay. What information is given there. About that information only you are going to write here in your word problem. The statement which you are forming, that particular thing should be here. Okay. A set of 3 pens cost rupees 72.75 paise. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the information we are getting from the very first sentence is that the set of 3 pens are there. That means 3 pens cost is given to us is 72 rupees 75 paisa. Yes or no? So first sentence should be, our first sentence is cost of 3 pens is equals to 72.75 paisa. Okay. So here in this case, what you are going to do is, you are going to write the very first, if the, see, anything in rupees is given, that means that is the cost. Yes or no? So begin your sentence with cost. Cost of 3 pens is equals to rupees 72.75 or 72 rupees 75 paisa. Whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay. Now see the second sentence for the second statement. What is the cost of each pen? Now what they are asking, what is the cost of each pen? So from here we can write cost of each, instead of each we can write one pen. So cost of one pen or cost of each pen also will do. Okay, both are correct. So I have written cost of one pen is equals to this number divided by 3. How many pens are there? That with that number you are going to divide. Understood? First total cost you are going to write, then divided by the number of pens. Okay. So total cost divided by the number of pens. Understood? Please copy this down. Then leave one line and then we'll start with the, leave 2 lines. Okay. In one line our question will come. So leave 2 lines and then start with the division process. Okay. You copy this down. Alright. So we had rupees 75 or 72 rupees and 75 paisa. So I have written both the numbers together with little space between them so that I can understand. But I did not put the point here. Okay, I have removed the point and now I will be dividing it. Okay, so 3, only one digit is there. So I will see only first digit here, which is 7, which is greater than 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, which is greater than 7. So I will take 3 twos are 6. Subtract 6 from 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 1 is less than 3. Isn't it? Yes or no? So in the table of 3, 1 cannot come. Either 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. Straight away 3 we are getting. So here this is less than this number. No problem. We have an option of taking one number or one digit down. So the very next digit will come down. 2. So now this has become 12. So again say the table of 3 and see whether 12 is coming in table of 3 or not. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Yes or no? Yes. So 3 fours are 12. Subtract 2 minus 0, that means nothing. 1 minus 1, again 0 minus, that means nothing. Now, we have the next number. In this step only we are going to take this number down. So this is 7. Again 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now here, take this till here only. Okay. So 7. Now here, this is 5. 1 5 15. So 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So here 3 5s are 15. Subtract. Answer is 0. 15 minus 15 is 0. Understood? So here we can write the cost of the cost of 1 pen is equals to rupees. As I said, what you are going to write, you are going to copy down this number as it is with a rupees sign in front of this number. Okay, so here write rupees 2425 2425. Okay, and then look into the question. How many digits were left? See, I have already separated them and written, isn't it? I have placed instead of decimal, I have given little space and written. So from this I can make out how many digits were there in paisa. 2 digits were there. So here 1 and 2 digits have left, and this is point. So this is your final answer. Understood? Copy this down. Let's see our next question. That is, the price of 2 tables is rupees 366.66. Okay, that means in the very first line, what information is given? That the cost of 2 tables is rupees 366.66. Yes or no? So the very first statement which we should form is from the first statement given to us. Okay, first read the full question properly, understand what they are saying, and then start solving it. That means then start forming the statements. Okay, so just now we have read only the first sentence of the question. Let's see the second sentence now. Find the cost of 1 table. Okay, the cost of 2 tables are given to us, and they have asked us to find the cost of 1 table. Okay, 2 tables were given, cost of 2 tables were given, and they are asking about 1. Many to 1 means divide. Many to 1 means divide. Understood? So, first line, the price or cost. Price and cost are the same thing. Okay? So, the price of 2 tables is rupees 366.66. So, the very first sentence should be cost of 2 tables is equals to rupees 366.66. Okay? Or else you can write price of 2 tables. From here you can take price of 2 tables is instead of is you can write is equals to then rupees 366.66. Understood? Come to the second line for the second sentence. Find the cost of 1 table. So from here only I have picked cost of 1 table. Cost of 1 table is equals to total cost of 2 tables divided by 2. Okay? Understood? Please copy down. Now, let's see how to divide. The process is same. rupees 366 and 66 paisa, isn't it? So I have written 366 together and I have left some space between these two digits, isn't it? This 6 and this 6. I have left some space in order to make out the difference between rupees and paisa. Okay. Then 66 I have written. So it is well understood that the first part belongs to rupees group and the second part belongs to paisa group. Okay. Now only one digit is there. So we are going to check with the first digit of this number. This is 3, which is greater than 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 4 is greater than 3. That is why we will take 2 ones are 2. Subtract, answer is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. 1 is less than 2. So again we are going to take one digit down. This has become 16. Isn't it? This has become 16. So in the table of 2, check whether 16 comes or not. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. Yes. So 2 eights are 16. The digits should be just below each other. Okay. You are not going to write the digits as you want. Each digit should be placed properly and neatly. You have to do all the calculations. Okay. So again subtract. 16 minus 16 is 0. Or you can see 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means nothing. Okay. Then in the next step you will copy down this 6. Now in the table, first you have to check whether this 6 is greater than this or not, the divisor. So 6 is greater than 2. Now you can check the table of 2 for 6, isn't it? So say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 2 threes are 6. Subtract, answer is again 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now in this step we are going to take another number down, then this 6 will come down. Now 2 threes are, now see, from paisa section I have taken one digit down, so I will be putting the quotient here on this number only. So 2 threes are 6. Subtract, answer is 0. Then again this 6 will come down. So 2, again 3s are 6. Subtract, answer is 0. Yes or no? Yes. So we can write, here I can say the cost of one table is equals to rupees. Before writing the quotient, I will write rupees in front. Then I will start copying these digits. 183. Don't say it in this way, 183. Just call out the digits, okay? 183, 183. And since this number is coming after a space, leave little space and then write 33. Okay. Now here we can see the rupees part and the paisa part. Yes or no? The paisa part is differentiated by a space, isn't it? Yes. So how many digits are there in paisa? 1 and 2. 2 digits are there. Leave 2 digits from right hand side. 1 and 2, and then put the decimal. So your cost of one table is rupees 183.33 or 183 rupees 33 paisa. Understood? Copy this down. So I hope today's class you all have understood well, and if there is any problem, please do come for the Zoom class on Saturday. Okay, there I will rectify all your doubts. I will clear all your doubts. Understood? So till then, what you need to do is you are going to copy down all these questions which we did for today's class in your rough copies, and you are going to practice them. Alright? Bye. Take care. God bless you all.